So today we are going to learn text and dimensions in AutoCAD. So there are two types of text in AutoCAD. One is DT and MT. So here go to the Home tab here and you can see two types, multi-line text and single text. Single text is also called as D text. D text means dynamic text. So let's type the command DT and hit enter. Click on the start point and the second point and the rotation angle. Now let me type centimeters and hit enter twice to come out of the text. Double click on the text. You can edit the text by typing continuously like and type ST for the text style. Here we can change the text type or the font name, anything we want, and here in this box it will be displayed how the output would be. Click on set current and close. You can see the text is changed. Next we'll see the multi-type text. This is to type a paragraph. So the command is empty, hit enter, and you have to click once and you have to drag with the help of right click always and create a box type of thing. So a box will appear, and what I've done is I've copied a text, so I'm going to paste it here. To edit the multi-text, double click on it and you can edit it. Options in the ribbon at the top. Automatically when you double click, these options will appear for the multi-text. So here we have the color. You can change the color. Select a particular text, like I'm selecting this TOR, and I want it at the above this edit text. So it's superscript and subscript, means down. So I've changed the font of the text by going to ST, the style option. Click on allow bullets and lists, allow auto bullets and numbering. So I have to select the text and click on numbered, click on bulleted. So you can see the text has come in bullets. And that is an interesting option, which is match. You can match the color, select the text, change the color. I'm changing it to orange, and I want the same to be for the other text. So click on match and select the text which you want to change it to yellow color. So boom, you see the change in color of the text. Also you can change the justification, like here we have you want to place it in left, right. So I'm keeping it as left. So these were D-text and multi-text. Now when you draw a line, like type L, hit enter. Before that I'll change the units, type UN, hit enter. We'll change it to architectural so it will be easy for us. Type L, hit enter. And when you draw a line, if you want to measure the distance, it's DI, hit enter, and you can measure the distance. You can see that it's showing 33 feet. The dimensions are gone. The distance which was there, it's gone. So you want the distance to be specified on the model space or on your diagrams which you draw. For that we have an option called dimension. So here we have the options here. So we have linear, angled, and so many dimensions. So for the line, click on linear, click on the first point and the end point, and you can see the dimensions here. You can change it by going to dimension style. The command is D, and you can see this is the dimension style manager window. Here you can go to modify, and we have multiple options here. Like you can change this arrow. The arrow is very small, so it's not seen here. We'll change it in symbols and arrows. I'll change the size here to make it 1 feet maybe. Okay, and you can change the arrow types, like you change it to open, dot. Click on dot, you can see everything is in dots in the black color screen which you see here. Now click on lines. You can change the color of the lines. You can see the color is changed. Line type, you can select a line type. You can select a dash line type. Line weight is the width of the line. And if you do not want these dimension lines, you can just click on these boxes and it will be gone. You cannot see the dimension lines. And these are the extension lines. You can see the extension lines here, which is changed in color. We have primary units. Click here. You can change it to architectural if you want. You can also change the text style, the color of the text. And if you want the text to be aligned with the dimension line, you can do that also. Click on OK and click on set current. Click on close. See, your dimension lines are changed. So it's not only for the lines. When you draw a parallel line, let's type L, hit enter, and draw a parallel line, hit escape. And for that we have the align dimension. Click on that. Click on the first point and the end point. You can see this is the measurement of this line which I have drawn, 26 feet. Now let's draw cross lines. Type L, hit escape. Now I want to measure this distance of here. For that we have the angular. Click on the first and click on the second line. You can see the dimensions here, 42 degree. So whenever you want, you can go and change it. So the text is aligned with the help of the dimensions here. If you want the text to be here in the horizontal position, you can go to dim style again and you can change it to horizontal. Click OK, set current, click close. You can see the 42 degrees in horizontal position. So next, you can draw an arc. Type A, and I'm drawing an arc. I want to know this distance, so go to arc length dimension, select the arc, and you can see this is the dimension or the distance of the arc. And these are the extension lines which is in green in color. You can change that also. And the dash lines are the dimension lines. Type C, hit enter, draw a circle, and for this circle to measure you have the radius. Click on the arc of the circle and you can see this is the radius 8 feet. Type C again, draw another circle, and we have the diameter also. Select the arc or the circle and you can see is the diameter, that is r square. Now we'll go to the leader styles. Now leaders are used to represent the text of anything you draw or with the help of lines. So go to the annotate tab here and you have multi-leader. Click on it and you can drag and you can draw. When you click on the end point, it will ask you to type the text. So let me type leader, and you have to right click on it, click select all and right click again. So you can see a leader is created. Now if you want to change the text is little small, and if you want to change the symbol here, go here, click on this arrow mark, multi-leader style manager. So here you can click on modify or click on new to create a multi-leader style. And here we have the leader format. You can change the color of this line. You can change it to straight or spline or none. Just you want the text there. You can change the line type also and the width of the line. Here you can change the arrow mark to box or dot or anything you want, and you can increase the size of that. I'm going to type 1 feet, and you can specify the distance also between the text and the straight line which you have drawn. So that also I'm mentioning as 1 feet. We have the content where you can change the text color here. You can change the arrow mark. See, it's changed. Over line and center. You can underline it, increase the gap or decrease it. And when you click on this box here, you can change the text height, font and the name. So I'm going to keep it as 2 feet and click on close. Click on OK. Click on set current and close. You can see the size of the arrow mark is increased, and you can see the font is, or the text is 2 feet height. So if you want to add a leader, or click here, click on the multi-leader here, and you can drag and add leaders. Hit escape to come out of that. You can also remove the leader by clicking here, select the multi-leader and select the leader which you want to remove. If you want to remove this one, select that one and hit enter. So it will be gone. So these were the text and dimensions and the leader styles. If you want to learn more in detail, please register to our website, which is www.digitizer.in. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.